essential oils. Step 11. Double cleanse. Double cleansing is a popular method for removing waterproof makeup and skincare products. Start with an oil-based cleanser to dissolve the waterproof products, then follow up with a gentle cleanser to remove any remaining residue. This method ensures that your skin is thoroughly cleansed without causing dryness or irritation. Step 12. Use a cleansing balm. A cleansing balm is a gentle and effective way to remove waterproof makeup and skincare products. It is formulated to dissolve these products without stripping your skin of its natural oils. Look for a cleansing balm that is free from harsh chemicals and that contains natural ingredients such as shea butter or coconut oil. Step 13. Use a facial oil. Facial oil is a great way to moisturize your skin after removing waterproof products. Look for a facial oil that is formulated for your skin type and that contains natural ingredients such as jojoba oil or rosehip oil. Step 14. Use a gentle toner. Using a gentle toner after removing waterproof products can help to restore your skin's pH balance and prepare it for the next steps in your skincare routine. Look for a toner that is free from alcohol and that contains natural ingredients such as witch hazel or chamomile. Step 15. Use a hydrating mask. Using a hydrating mask once or twice a week can help to replenish your skin's moisture levels and prevent dryness and irritation. Look for a mask that is formulated for sensitive skin and that contains natural ingredients such as hyaluronic acid or aloe vera. Step 16. Use an eye cream. Using an eye cream can help to prevent fine lines and wrinkles around the delicate eye area. Look for an eye cream that is formulated for your skin type and that contains natural ingredients such as caffeine or vitamin C. Step 17. Use a lip balm. Using a lip balm is important when using waterproof products that can be drying to your lips. Look for a lip balm that is formulated for sensitive skin and that contains natural ingredients such as beeswax or shea butter. Step 18. Avoid touching your face. Touching your face too often can transfer dirt and oil from your hands to your skin, leading to breakouts and other skin concerns. Avoid touching your face and wash your hands frequently to maintain healthy and clear skin. Step 19. Use a silk pillowcase. Using a silk pillowcase can help to prevent wrinkles and promote healthy skin. Silk pillowcases are gentle on your skin and hair, reducing friction and preventing damage. Step 20. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is important for maintaining healthy skin when using waterproof makeup and skincare products. Aim to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night to promote healthy skin and overall well-being. Step 21. Use a facial steamer. Facial steamers can help to open up your pores and remove impurities from your skin. Look for a facial steamer that is safe for sensitive skin and that is easy to use. Use it once or twice a week to promote healthy and clear skin. Step 22. Use a gentle exfoliator. Using a gentle exfoliator can help to remove dead skin cells and promote healthy skin when using waterproof makeup and skincare products. Look for an exfoliator that is formulated for sensitive skin and that contains natural ingredients such as oatmeal or sugar. Step 23. Use a natural tanning product. If you want to achieve a sun-kissed glow without exposing your skin to harmful UV rays, use a natural tanning product.